this is Anna's reading club. Today I'm gonna read Skeleton Hiccups.
Why you gonna read that book?
Because Lily and I read this book, so
Last week, yeah?
yeah, so what did you do on your weekend?
Oh, you want to ask?
Yeah.
So first of all, why don't you answer? How was your weekend?
My weekend was great.
So what did you do?
I went to see some people. Their name is Anita and Kate.
Yeah?
And we went to climb a mountain and eat lunch.
Okay.
It was nice. And we saw Mommy. It was fantastic.
Okay.
So today I'm going to read Skeleton Hiccups. So let's start. Skeleton woke up. Hic, hic, hic. He had the hiccups. Hic, hic, hic.
Okay, look at what's that?
A rat.
Rat from that wall. Okay, and then the skeleton is sleeping.
In a grave bed.
Okay, gravestone bed. What R.I.P. mean?
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace. Okay.
Hic, hic, hic. Took a shower. Brushed his teeth. Hic, hic, hic.
So does he have a lungs?
No, he doesn't.
Look at his teeth.
His teeth is flat.
Flat, not sharp. Not sharp. Like a
Vampire.
vampire, yes.
Carved a pumpkin. Hic, hic, hic.
He is making what?
A jack-o'-lantern. Jack-o'-lantern.
Jack-o'-lantern. Okay, next. Move.
Raked some leaves. Hic, hic, hic. Played with ghost. Hic, hic, hic. Ghost.
So he has a ghost friend. Wow. Do you have a ghost friend?
No. Ghost told skeleton. Hic, hic, hic. Hold your breath. Hic, hic, hic. Eat some sugar. Hic, hic, hic. Press your fingers. Hic, hic, hic. Over your eyeballs. Hic, hic, hic. Eyeballs. Drink some water. Hic, hic, hic. Upside down. Hic, hic, hic.
Look at even words, even letters. Upside
down. Ghost made a face.
What kind of face?
Scary face.
How about funny face?
No.
Cute face?
No.
Okay, next.
Hic, hic, hic. Said boo to skeleton. Nothing worked. Hic, hic, hic. The hiccup stayed. Hic, hic, hic. The ghost got smart. Hic, hic, hic. Found a mirror. Hic, hic, hic. Held it up. Hic, hic, hic.
What kind of mirror is it?
Magic mirror, probably.
Really? Okay, and
Skeleton screamed. Hic, hic, hic. The hiccups left. Hic, hic. They jumped away.
hic,
Hic.
hic, hic.
Hooray!
You did here still.
What's the best way to help a skeleton get over his bone rattling, teeth chattering, belly laughing, hiccups?
What do you think, Anna?
Showing him a mirror.
Okay, Lily.
I hope you have a good day. Please comment down below. Have a good day. And bye, guys. I'm taking a nap.